Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, remove loose dirt with a dry microfiber and locate the pen mark. Once located, test a small hidden area with leather cleaner or a 110 mild soap solution. This prevents color loss. If safe, dampen a cotton swab, blot the test spot, and wait 1 minute to check for discoloration. Make sure to have isopropyl 70% ready only if the cleaner fails. Using a controlled test prevents irreversible damage, so don't skip it. You now remove the ink with precision. Once the test was successful, dampen a fresh swab with leather cleaner and gently blot toward the center of the mark. This contains the ink. If the mark persists, switch to isopropyl 70% on a new swab, tapping briefly, no long scrubs. After each attempt, immediately pat with a dry microfiber to lift loosened ink. Make sure to rotate swabs and limit each contact to about 10-15 seconds to protect the dye. Once the mark lightens, let the leather air dry thoroughly. Do not use heat. You then apply a small amount of leather conditioner with a clean cloth to restore suppleness and color balance. If ink remains after 2 controlled cycles with isopropyl, repeat only 1 more time or stop to avoid dye loss. Instead, consult a professional cleaner. If you notice discoloration or finish damage, cease treatment immediately and seek expert leather repair to prevent permanent harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.